Today we will learn that how we will configure samba-swat in Linux operating system. Samba-swat is used to remotely control Samba server from local and other computer. In this video we will discuss how to control Samba server in local computer. So first of all, make sure Linux operating system is connected with internet statically, and other make sure Linux operating systems and Windows firewall is off. Third one is make sure in Windows setting control panel programs turn Windows feature on or off. In turn Windows feature on or off. IIS is checked on. So first of all, we will configure Samba by using this command gedit etc samba smv.com. So in this configuration file globally we will set their group work in group work we can assign any name as they assign my group and the hosts allow we will give their Linux IP address. After that, and in the below interface will be commented, and so yeah, make sure. Security is equal to share, max log size is equal to as you wish. You can give quantity of data, I means 2 MB 3 MB as you like. Home, if you want to allow home directory, then uncomment home, comment in home directory path. In the path you will give a specific path where home directory files are there. Browsable will be yes, writable yes, valid user will be root. You can add other user there as Johan. After root you will give a space, or you can use comma as you wish. You want create mode, we will give full permissions, and directory mode we will give full permissions. And below, if you want to allow profiles, then you will be uncomment these paths, and the browsable will be yes, guest okay yes, printers, all printers path, printer files browsable yes, guest okay yes, writable yes, printable yes. In public, okay, so my share means which files you want to share. You can create a different path in path my share. If you want in my share to create another directory, then you can create other share as you like. Valid user, you can take other John as if you, first of all you then save. Now we will configure samba-swat. In samba-swat we will port number 901 socket stream wait no. There we will be write uh, IP address of Linux and Windows. So first of all we will find IP config all. So there is Windows IP address is 192.168.110.100. So this IP address we will write there 192.168.110.100, and there we will be write Windows IP address, Linux IP address. So we will find Linux IP address. If config as you say you want to see this is Linux IP address 192.168.10.109. So this IP address we will be write there 192.168.102.109, and the server user has been swat logon failure plus user disable will be no. Save. Now service SMB restart and service xinet restart. Now service IP tables stop. Now we will search in Windows browser. We will write there Linux IP address 192.168.110.109, and there will be write port number and search. So as you see there will be open a prompt username password. You will be right there Samba's user as a root and password. Now samba-swat is running. There is a home page and there is all information related to samba. These options, if you will click this option, then it will open all the details of assembly. So in global, there in so- in assembly.conf, we give their my group, as we can set another group there as John's John's group. Okay, and in server string you can give any name, and security you can change the securities as is share user server domain as you like. Encrypt purpose, yes. Update encryption, yes. No. And hosts allow, there will be write that IP address that we want to allow to connect with the Linux operating system. If you want to deny any machine or any user, then there we will be right and that machine's IP address in this blank space. So as you can see, this is all in configuration settings. The setting is from assembly.conf. And then next, share there we can use another directory. There is home directory by default, because in the assembly.conf we have select allow home directory. As you can see, we can read this directory or we can create another directory also. Home to create share, yes, you can see there home 2 is created. So in command you can write this is home directory, and path you can give path home to. You there is a guest account. If you want to allow any guest, then you can write his name as Johan. As you like, you can add any name. Guest, yes, okay. Browsable, yes. Yes, hostess allow. There will be you will be add that IP address of Linux and hostess deny. There you will be add that hostess if you want to deny of a particular host. Browsable, yes. Available, yes. And the printer, there is a printers public my share. You can create another printer by using create printer, and wizard. In the wizard we can see there is three buttons: rewrite assembly.com file, commit, and edit parameter values. If you in the last functions that values we have created, if we want to allow that value in our configuration file, then we will there click on commit. And if you want to recreate or edit these values, then you will be click on edit parameter values, as we recreate there or re-edit there. So in the status you can see SMBVD is running, NMBD is running. If you want to stop, then you will click on stop NMBD, and if you want to restart SMBD, then you will click on there. And active shares and all, you can see that is full information about the directory or assembly.conf that we have allow. You can see there we have created new directory. We did create new directory home to and party empty. Okay, password. In the password you can create another user Johan, and new password Johan, retype Johan. So you can change their password if he is a samba user, and if you want to add another user, then click on add new user, and there will be write a username, old password, no. Username and password Johan. Add new user. This user will be added in the Samba user configuration file. If you want to disable any user, then write their username and disable user. So this is samba-swat configuration file of assembly.conf. This is remotely controlled in window from Linux. This is a local machine configuration setting. So as you like, you can do all the changes in this file. Thank you.